Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Oil signal. Let's get it. Four and a half inches. 4 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. Can slaw. My favorite. Into the pouch. Gotta have a oil signal. Let's get it. 1718. 3 inches. 3 inches. See what kind of can slaw this is. Solid 18. Now I have found rings that were 18. So shake, shake, shake. I don't hear any rattling. That's not good. More can slaw into the pouch. Gotta have a nickel tap signal. Nickel miscellaneous signal. Let's get it. Five and a half inches. 3 inches right here. Let's get it. Overshot. I don't see anything. Oh, of course. Can slaw. My favorite. Bottom of a can, it looks like. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a penny signal. Let's get it. It's a penny miscellaneous signal. About 4 inches right here. Is it can slaw? Only one way to tell. Now it's saying it's miscellaneous. Man, am I off? Can slaw. Well, that totally wasn't it. I don't see nothing. What am I? Sounded like I hit something. It's just this. No. Shake, shake, shake. I hear something rattling around. Is it a penny? It is. I didn't get skunked. Into the pouch. Chunk of iron. And a chunk of iron. Into the pouch. I have a solid 58 Z penny. Let's get it. Kind of big. Let's get it. To be honest with you, I don't see it. Oh. It was on its side. Another can bottom. What happened to the rest of the can? Why is it all just bottoms today? Another miscellaneous penny signal. Let's get it. 2 inches this way. 1.5 this way. Is it a penny? It's big. Bigger than a penny. Let me put it that way. Got something. There it is. Oh, that was a shell. I thought that was it. Whatever's in there, it felt beefy. And there it is. Hey, another can bottom. Holy cow. What is going on? Like I'm in the Twilight Zone. The bottom of a soda can. All of them. So weird. I have a high tone signal. Goes from quarter, well, quarter now. Solid 82, 84. Real sharp signal. 2 inches right here. All right. It's calling it a quarter. I like that. No. Yeah. All right, I got a quarter. Into the pouch. I have a jumpy foil nickel signal. Let's get it. 3.5. 3.5 inches right here. Sounded like something was in here. Man, it's too much. Alright, I saw it. Looked like can slaw. Yep. Can bottom. You see it's convex. Concave on this side, convex on that. Into the pouch. Have a jumpy signal. It goes from penny to dollar. Let's get it. Will it be can slaw? Let's find out. Don't fill in the hole. Calling it a penny. Rinse, rinse, rinse. That's not a penny. That's a dime. Into the pouch. I have a quarter signal. 81, 83, let's get it. Inch and a half. 1 inch right there. Alright, I don't see it, I don't hear it yet. One crusty quarter into the pouch. I have a high signal, 88 to 89. Let's get it. 2 inches, 1.5 inches. It's kind of big. Maybe I don't want this. Holy cow. Something hard down there. I think I just got under it. Oh man, now that is a big old piece of... Whew. My biggest piece of scrap metal today. Into the pouch. Super jumpy signal. Goes from 40 to 60 miscellaneous penny. Let's get it. Another big target, 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. How am I overshooting these things? It's calling it a penny. Of course, a can bottom. Where are the can tops? I have a, where to go? Come on. 70, 80 signal. Let's get it. 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Come back, water. It wasn't enough. Yeah, another quarter into the pouch. I have a one-way signal. Really just a chirp. And it flashes different things each time, penny, dime. Let's get it. Three and a half inches. 3 inches right here. Let's not overshoot it this time. Shake, shake, shake. No way. One-quarter into the pouch. Welcome to the wrap-up. As you can see, I had a very busy day of digging at the beach. It was strange. There were so many can bottoms, and they all sounded like pennies and dimes. It was weird. I did find a bunch of iron, a big old piece of metal, I don't know what that's to, and I did find 5 quarters, a penny, and a dime. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends.